Ghost Gang, what's up? It's Sean. First video, Indigo Ghost 392. Everybody, like, subscribe. Doing super big things this year. And this is my first video. So we're just gonna get into some unboxing of some items that I just recently picked up. And I'll also be doing install videos for each item. And I can put links in the description below to show you guys where I got this from. So come on, let's check it out. So the first item, that I got here is a 84 millimeter ported throttle body from Fastman. Now with this here, he takes a factory throttle body and he machines it down to nothing, and you can see how it is super smooth on the inside and even on the outside, and that is beautiful. And the good thing about this is, if some of you guys still go to the dealer, you don't have to worry about if it's obvious that you modified this. They will only really know if they poke around on the inside, because in here there is a little lip on the factory one, but that's gone now. And he can also take your you can also send in your own throttle body, and he'll port it out for you. And I think the cost for that is about $200. I paid $4 since he actually bought this from the dealer and ported it out. And this is going in the car ASAP. Then the next item I have are these MFR-1s. Now what these do pretty much deletes your active exhaust, to where if you're normally you get the exhaust on all the time if you run it in trap mode or sport mode. And I know some people have the taser, which will let you do that setting, but you give up some suspension control and some steering. So this allows you to let you have the active exhaust on at all times without having to switch modes. And I watched several videos. I want to shout out Workplay Drive for putting me on this. And yeah, and it comes with its own screws already in a certain order, and I'll be doing an install video on that as well. And also to the throttle body, shout out to Knight's Garage for actually showing it and doing the install, and Scat Pack Mon out in Vegas for I think he first mentioned it and I saw it. And the next and last item I have are these headlight rings in the yellow bee colorway. Since I got an indigo blue scat, I really was torn between what colors I should do. So I just decided for the yellow rings, but I'm still kind of toying with the red, because I got, you'll see in a later video, some mods that I've already done before I started the channel. I got a Lux Concepts black and red Scat Pack flag. But with these rings, I got an interesting story. The owner is Scalia Motorsports. He's a really, really, really good dude, but I have to tell you about my experience. Prior to me purchasing from him from another producer, and I'm just gonna say producer of another company of the headlight rings. So, I mean, that's a breakdown. I also got some ZL1 mat pads, and I got a Harbor Freight jack and some Esco stands, but I won't even get into those, but these are the main mods that are coming up for my car. And like I said, this isn't my GoPro. I got my GoPro. It's not fully ready yet, but I think I got enough stuff on hand to do an install video for each one of these. As a matter of fact, as soon as I close this out, I'm gonna jack up the car and start on the MFER. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I got for this video. Ghost Gang, I need y'all to like, subscribe, all of that. A lot of people want to start off with 100. I'm not doing 100. We're going for 1,000 off the bat. And I have plenty of content coming. We're going to go over what I already did, because I did actually a lot of stuff to the car before I even thought about a YouTube. So we'll get into all of that, especially that SRT spoiler I put on there. Decent videos out, but everybody has a different method, and I think I combined up some methods, and I can tell you what I did for that. I got a whole page of mods that I want to do, especially the engine dress based stuff I want to talk about, like the car clubs, keeping your engine clean. I even got some wheels coming. I'm on the waiting list. As soon as he hit me up, Hellcat wheels coming on. But that's it. Again, like, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep the content coming. After this, I probably got another 2 or 3 videos to post within the next week. All right. So again, like, subscribe, holla at your boy. Peace.